Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is inverse trigonometrical function. And inverse trigonometry we have studied in +1, and the solution of the triangle is also studied in +1. And after this, that is comes at inverse trigonometrical function. In this chapter, we will study the definition and the properties of eight trigonometrical functions. Although the study of the inverse function is useful in all right, but the important reason for the studying of the inverse trigonometrical function is that their derivative leads us to a useful integrations formulae, and inverse trigonometrical functions are used in the science and the engineering. Now, what is inverse trigonometrical function? Now, what is trigonometrical function? If sine theta is equal to x, then theta is equal to sine inverse x. We read as, इसको हम रीड करेंगे, रीड एज साइन इनवर्स x. Now we see that sine inverse x is a symbol, which denotes the angle, or number of the value of whose sign is x. Similarly, cos inverse x denotes an angle and whose cosine is x, and so on. Thus, we give an example here. Sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, pi by 6 is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2. Or we take another example. Tangent pi by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, pi upon 4 is equal to tangent inverse 1. The expression sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tangent inverse x, are so on, are called inverse trigonometric function, are called as inverse trigonometrical functions. यहाँ पर नोट लिख लो, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नोट है. द सिंबल, ये बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. द सिंबल साइन इनवर्स एक्स, कॉस इनवर्स एक्स, tangent inverse x is also written as arc sin x, arc cos x, and arc tangent arc x. Arc x or the sin inverse x is the same thing. और यहाँ पर एक second note is also, it should be clearly noted that sine inverse x is merely a symbol to indicate the angle, and should not be confused with sine whole inverse or 1 upon sine x. It is not equal to sine inverse x is we can written as sine inverse of whole inverse or 1 upon sine x. The minus 1 is not exponent. Here. It is inverse. Notation used in f inverse x. After that, if we have consider an equation. Consider an equation y is equal to sine theta. There is a unique value of y for particular value of theta, but converse is not true. For example, we are taking this as example. If theta is equal to 60 degree, then y is equal to sine 60 and sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Hence, the value of y is only under root 3 by 2. If theta is equal to 60 degree, equal to 60 degree, but if the value of y is under root 3 upon 2 in the above equation, we find different value of theta. That is 60 degree, 120 degree, 420 degree, 480 degree, etc. Since under root 3 by 2 is equal to sine 60 degree, is equal to sine 120 degree, is equal to sine 420 degree, is equal to sine 480 degree, up to so on. The corresponding to one value one value of y is equal to under 3y2. We have finite values of, we have infinite value of theta, thus not 1 1, not 1 1.